What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving radical equations. This is lesson 6, video number 6 of this topic. First example is square root of r plus 4 minus r plus 2 equals to 0. The answer is I keep the radical in one side and move the rest to the other side. It's going to be r minus 2. So we have square root of r plus 4 squared, r minus 2 squared. That will be the 2 and square root cancel out. It's going to be r plus 4. And here we have r minus 2 squared is going to be r squared plus 4 minus 4r. Then you move this to the right hand side. It's going to be r squared. This cancel out. Going to be 4 minus 4 is going to be 0, and then we have negative 5r. So then we need to solve r squared minus 5r. We factor r minus 5. So the values of r is 0 and 5. This is the final answer, which are 0 and 5. Next example. Is square root of m plus 9 minus m plus 3 equals to 0. The answer is square root of m plus 9, and you move these two terms to the right hand side. It's going to be m minus 3. Then you square both sides. M plus 9 squared. M minus 3 squared. It's going to be m plus 9, and here we have m squared minus 6m plus 9, based on the binomial expansion. You know, a minus b squared is going to be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. That's exactly the same thing here. M squared, negative 3 squared, which is 9, and negative 2ab, which is going to be negative 6. And then you move the other two terms to the right hand side. It's going to be m squared minus 7m, and 9 and negative 9 cancel out, and then I can factor m here. It's going to be m times m minus 7. Then the values are going to be 0 and 7. 0 and 7 is going to be the final answer to this example. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding different topics in math, such as integration, square roots, stuff like that, and also some topics in science such as chemistry. Okay, have a great day, and I'll come back soon with another video.